Thank you for buying this metal art from Fixture Displays. The size is about 6 by 7 inches. The small size makes it convenient to position this nice piece of art in a variety of convenient places, such as on your tabletop, your bookshelf, or even on your mantle or your wall. You can also purchase a few in this selection and display on a wall space. The selection can be easily found by typing in 21940 on fixturedisplays.com. If you have any questions, feel free to email us cs@charliesam at fixturedisplays.com. In addition to this line of products, Fixture Displays offer a wide variety of business and consumer products. Also custom make to order. We don't have minimums. If you have a product you want made economically, we are here to help. Email us cs@charliesam at fixturedisplays.com. Remember, like us, subscribe, leave a good seller feedback along with a product. Thank you.